What's up guys, it's your boy Rex here and welcome back to the channel. So this video right here is a continuation from the last video. So if you want to watch the last video, I'm going to leave a link back in the description to the first video so you can go and watch the first video if you're going to continue with this video, because it's a continuation of the method I'll show you guys step by step how you can guys start making some sales very fast on Clickbank. So what you're going to do is you're going to first watch the first video. I'm going to watch the first video. Be sure to watch the first video so you can go and continue step by step from this second video and start getting some results very fast on Clickbank. So what I want to do guys, I want to go and watch the video step by step and take action on this method I'm showing you guys, because I'm very sure if you take action on this method I'm going to show you guys right here, you're going to get the result. So what I want you guys to do is to watch step by step to the end, take action on the method and implement it, and you're going to start getting some results, because this is a proven method, and if you take action on this you're going to get the results as well. So I'm going to leave a link to the first video in the description if you're going to watch it step by step, and also I'm going to leave a link as well to the landing page that I show you guys to build in the description, so you can just go on, import it to your Builder account and start setting up this campaign right after this video and start getting some results. So this landing page right here is going to be in the description, so you're just going to click on the link and import it to your own Builder account and just change my affiliate links to your own affiliate links and start running this campaign very fast. So that's it. So if you're new to the channel as well, be sure to subscribe to the channel so you're going to get notified time that I post new videos on how to make money online and Clickbank earning methods. So that's it guys. So watch step by step and take action, and I'll see you guys in the next video. So what I'm going to do from here is I'm going to go to Bing Ads. So you're going to just type, for example, Bing Ads on Google, and you're going to go and find Bing Ads, and you can go and sign up to start running ads on Bing. So what you're going to do is that once you sign up for Bing Ads, what you're going to do is you're going to go to your account and you can go and create a campaign. I'm going to show you how to create this campaign. So what you're going to do is that you're going to go and click on create campaign, and you're going to set up a sample campaign. So what you're going to do first is you're going to go and click on visit to website. So this is what I mostly use. I click on visit to website, and right here you're going to go and create a simple ad. So you can input the campaign name, for example, my shirt plans, and that's it. What you're going to do for me is I can go and set your budget. So most of the time I get started with $25 per day. I can go and get started with $5 or $10 per day to start running Bing ads. So what I'm going to do for me is I can go and choose the countries. You can choose, for example, all available countries. So I recommend that you choose, for example, United States. You can go and click on let me choose specific locations, and you can add multiple locations. So for this example, I'm just going to click on let me choose locations. I can input your locations right here. So you want to run your ads in United States, you can write, for example, United States. Click on search. I can go and target the United States from here. So I can click on target. I can add multiple countries, for example, Canada. Click on search. I can also go and target Canada from here. So you can just go and run with these two countries, or you can add multiple countries right here. So for this example, I'm just going to leave United States and Canada. So what I'm going to do next from here is that you want to go and uncheck this people searching or viewing pages about your targeted locations, because this is people that are not in your location. People are just searching, for example, somebody can be in China and the person is searching Canada and the person is in China, and your ad is going to show up, so you don't want our ad to show up. So you're going to go and uncheck this and leave only people in your targeted locations. Or what you're going to do from here is that you're going to choose a language. So this product you're promoting is an English product, so we're going to uncheck this French. I'm going to go and input English right here. I'm going to click on save and go to next step. So from here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and input the URL of a landing page. So let's go to a landing page. I'm going to input the URL right there. So let's go back to our campaign, input the URL right here. And the ad group name, you can just write, for example, my shirt plans as well. And that's it. What you're going to do from here is that you're going to go and input keywords. So for this program I'm showing you guys, there's already keywords that you can go and use and input right here and start running this campaign. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the affiliate tools area of this product. I'm going to do this. You can see these are keywords, these are pay-per-click keywords that I can go and use already. So what I'm going to do from here is I'm going to go and copy these keywords, and you're going to go and use it in your campaign. So once you copy these keywords, what I'm going to do is I want to go and put them in this particular tool. So you're going to go to this tool called keywordmatchtypetool.com. So you just type, for example, keyword match type tool. You're going to go to this particular website. We're going to go and input the keywords right here. And what we're going to do is we're going to go and click on this. We're going to go and click on exact match. So what one is I want to show our ad to people that are searching for this exact keyword. So we're going to put them in brackets right here. So you click on exact match, it's going to put all these keywords in bracket. So we're going to click on exact match. I'm going to click on make keyword list, and that's it. It's going to make the keywords with brackets right here. So we're going to copy all of this. We're going to go back to our campaign. We're going to paste our keywords right here. And next they can go and input the other keywords. So you go back to the tools area, you can find there are a lot more keywords right here. You can just copy this as well. We're going to go back to keyword match type tool. We're going to delete all these ones. We're going to paste new keywords. We're going to use exact match as well. We're going to click on make keyword list, and that's it. We're just going to copy this list right here with the exact match function. So next day we're going to go back to the campaign, and we're just going to go and paste as well, and that's it. Our campaign is ready to go. We're just going to go and click on save and go to next step. So that's it. What you're going to do from here is you're going to go and click on create ad. I'm going to create a simple ad. So what you're going to do from here is that you're going to go and input your landing page URL as well right here. So let's copy our URL once more. Go and paste our URL right here. And that's it. What we're going to do from here is we're going to go and write a simple title about our ad. So I'm just going to write a simple title about the ad. So you can just write, for example, get instant access. So that's it, guys. So you can just write, for example, get instant access to 12,000 working plans. So I'm just going to add this right here. And that's it. You can just add another title right here, and this is how your ad is going to show on big. For example, you can write an ad text description. So here we're just going to paste one of these. So shared plans with step-by-step instruction and easy to follow. So I'm just going to write like this, and that's it. I'm just going to leave it like this. So you can add a longer ad title. You can add the third title right here. So for example, I'm just going to leave it like this. So we're going to, you can see we have already input our affiliate landing page right here. So what you can see from here is that you can just leave it like this. So your ad is ready to go. You're just going to click on save. I'm going to go and you can create another ad. So for this example, we're just going to leave this particular ad like this. So what I'm going to do from here next, you're just going to go right at the bottom. I'm going to click on save and go to the next step. And that's your ad is ready to go, and you can start getting some traffic and start getting some sales from your ad. So what you can do is you can run, for example, enhance PPC, or you can just click on use manual bid, and you can set the bid that you're going to be willing to pay per click from this particular campaign. So you can go and change, for example, so you can run, for example, 35 cents. So let's show, for example, you can run, for example, 0.35 cents. So you can run, for example, 0.35 cents, and it's going to show you estimated traffic right here. So I click right here, it's going to say that I can get up to 2,000 clicks per month from running at 35, from bidding at 35 cents. So what you can do is you can use manual bid, or you can use enhanced PPC, or you can use maximize clicks as well. So for this example, I'm just going to leave it like this. I'm going to click on save, and that's it. My campaign is ready, and once it's approved, then I can start getting some traffic and start getting some sales from these guys. So that's a simple method, guys. So if you found value in this video, be sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel so I'll continue to make these videos that can help you guys start making some extra money very fast online. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and take action on this method. I'll show you guys how easy it is for you to go and run ads on Bing and start getting some traffic and start getting some sales as well. So as you want to get my step-by-step method I'm using to make sales every day on Clickbank as well, be sure to click the first link in the description. I can go and get my step-by-step method I'm using to make sales on Clickbank. So as you want to go and sign up for BuildARow, I'm going to leave the link to BuildARow 14 days free trial in the description as well. And also you want to get this exact landing page I've built right here. So you want to get this exact landing page I've built. What I'm going to do is you're going to go and I'm going to leave a link to this funnel as well in the description. I can go and import this funnel to your own BuildARow account. So once you have signed up for your BuildARow account, what you're going to do is you're just going to go and input this link right here. I'm going to leave this link of this funnel right here in the description. And I'm going to leave this link, and what I can do is I can just paste this link right here. Once you have logged into your BuildARow account, you can just paste this link right here, and it's going to import this entire landing page like this into your own BuildARow account. So once you have logged into your account, it's going to give you this page. You're just going to go and click on confirm, and that's it. It's going to be imported to your own BuildARow account, and all you're going to do is you're just going to go and edit it, and you're going to go and use it in your own campaign as well. So once you have imported, what you're going to do is you're just going to go and click on the image and go and click on set link, You're going to want to change my affiliate link from here. You're going to delete my affiliate link. And you're going to input your own affiliate link inside there, and you're going to click on save. And you're also going to click on the button. Click on the button and click on set link. Remove my affiliate link and replace your own affiliate link and click on save. And that's it, and click on save, and it's going to be saved and it's going to be with your affiliate link, and you can just start running this campaign right today after this video. So that's it, guys. So if you found value, be sure to subscribe and put on the notification icon so you're going to get notified time that I post new videos that can help you guys to start making some extra money very fast on Clickbank. So that's it. I'll see you guys in the next video.